Yo, I actually got a new gaming keyboard, so I'll be showing you today. So this is the main view of it. Here's my mouse, like actually matches, which is like really cool. So this is a keyboard. It's the rk or rk61. It's actually like really good. It's a 60% keyboard, and it has so many light settings. I'll just go through them real quick. So it has this one, that one, this one. When you press the key, it just lights up the level. This one, where if you press the key, it just lights up like the whole keyboard. Then this one, where it lights it up in a different way. It's pretty cool. This one where it just goes down like without you touching. This one where it's just going like crazy and you aren't touching. Then this one where it like goes across like diagonal kind of. Then this one is just like kind of one where it's kind of all different keycap kind of colors. Like it's not like exactly like chrome. It's kind of like mixed up colors sort of. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. This one, it's just like aqua. It's cool. Okay, this one is if you touch it, it like legit changes like to a different color every time you like tap it. It's really cool. Then there's this one, that one. It's kind of like all just keycaps of different colors. Looks pretty cool. This one where it's just blue. Actually, I'm pretty sure it changes. Oh yeah, it just goes off and on like that. This one where it's like kind of like my strip lights actually. That's actually pretty cool. Kind of matches. That'll be sick. Then there's this one where it's just kind of goes across, and we're getting back to where I was. And this is said no use because it kind of matches my mouse, because my mouse lights go down and these ones go down, so that's really cool. Okay, so now we're going to be doing a little sound test ASMR, just so you guys can actually hear it. So ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's the sound test. It sounds pretty good. It has blue switches, which are like really good. You can also remove the keycaps, but I'm not going to do that because, yeah. But it also comes with a keycap remover, which will help you like removing stuff. It can also be wireless if you want it to, but I just don't have a wireless because I can't be bothered going to the trouble of doing it. So I have this cable just going through here and then going behind my monitor and like just behind my desk and into my PC. So yeah, and just so you know, it is the rk61. If I can just show you. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it does say rk61. Yeah, there you see rk61. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I would definitely recommend this keyboard. It's like really, really good. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.